Hey, NERDYRENA, and I don't even know why I'm filming this.
Prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
Ooh, my knees are dirty. It goes to show that I was definitely working in the garage. Earlier, I ended up going to my dad's house to borrow the air compressor to clean this baby out. I wouldn't say it's 100% clean, but a lot cleaner than it used to be, especially around the CPU fan. It was fucking dirty. So yeah, this thing is pretty much prepped and ready to go to like take it apart and everything. Is the inside of this beautiful PC, and that's my hard drive. I actually have a solid state drive somewhere in here that is not plugged in at all, like I haven't activated it. It's right there. Yeah, I should probably do that probably once I get this up and running again. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing out the power supply and then this graphics card. That is the old graphics card, and we're gonna put in the new one. Oh yeah, baby. So yeah, graphics card is gonna be easy to take out and put a new one in, but power supply, I'm gonna have to do some crazy cable management. And it's funny because you look at this and it's like, is that really the cable management of choice? Yeah, I mean, it could be worse, for being honest here. And I guess I can show you the back, which I don't know if it looks any better. Not really. It's kind of all tied up. Actually, I should probably cut all the zip ties and twist ties that I actually ended up kind of keeping everything together. And I think I got some Velcro straps keeping everything together too as well. So yeah, should probably go and do that, and then I'll officially start. That way I don't get too pressed for time. It's already 5 o'clock, so. And lo and behold, I have to go to work tonight, so yay! Okay, I think that'll work. Let's go into this. So this is the 750 B2. Oh really? I didn't know that had that on there. There's like a piece of plastic cover that probably should have been peeled off a long ass time ago. Now it looks it looks really new. Do I even want to swap it out? I already pulled it out. Yeah, of course I'm gonna fucking swap it out. Jesus Christ. Does not want to let go. Oh, because I'm pulling it the wrong way. I was thinking the latch goes down. No, the latch goes up. But here is the Sapphire Radeon Dual X R9 270X. And it's really huge. I don't want to touch this side, obviously, so. Ooh. Oh, this is a lot cleaner than I thought. I mean, I'm pretty sure if you can find a way to look at the back of the fans, they don't look really clean, but fronts do, so that's pretty impressive. Oh, there's a little dust here. See, that's the thing that a lot of gamers don't like to show. They're like, oh, I don't have dust on my fucking graphics card. You have dust. Yeah, there's a little bit like right there. You can't even really see it, but it's there. Note to self, clean your PCs before you start like going in there, because it's gonna be a gross mess if you don't. Okay, so where do I guess I can grab that box. Man. Oh my god. This is huge.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I know that's what you're gonna fucking say in the comment section down below, so fuck you. Jesus Christ, is this even gonna fit? That's what I wanna know.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Go ahead, say that in the comment sections below. I dare you. Whoa. Oops. Okay. Whoa. Oh. God. Woo. There we go. Oh my god. What the? Holy shit. Dude. Look at this thing. Like, holy shit. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, this thing's a beast. Is this even gonna fit? That's, oh gosh. Oh gosh, I hope so. So this is the ZOTAC. Holy crud, man. This is no fucking joke. Man. All the little pieces out. Throw them on the fucking ground like a psycho. Man. Incredible. What does it say? Freeze Tech. Integrating performance, silent, and effective for cooling. Remove before first use. No shit. So, oh wow. I just really hope that this fits. I didn't even anticipate that. I don't know if that's gonna work. It's like covering the cable management parts. Like, but it, I mean, it fit in the slot, so it should work, right? Oh, stuff in the way. Oh, yeah. It covers the, like, MSI Dragon logo. I can't remember what model this is for the motherboard. The MSI 970 gaming. That's why I was thinking 970 wasn't for my graphics card though. Anyhow, this is the ZOTAC. It is a beast. I'm surprised that it even fits on here. Yeah, that's crazy. There's my RAM. Yeah, holy shit, dude. I'm glad that I put that in before I put the power supply in, so that's crazy. Let's put you back on the... Literally, no joke. Literally a trash bin that you're sitting on. I'm so sorry. Probably didn't even need to know that. Oop. I should have just done that. Oh, look at that, bitch. It's so crazy. Yes. To continue on. Ooh, baby. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty dusty. I tried cleaning it as best I could. But yeah, this is from Kingwin, which actually came from my CyberPower pre-built PC. So yeah, these things still work and they will probably forever work, but you can never have too many LED fans, if you know what I mean. And honestly, like, this is my aesthetic. Like, look at that. I just didn't like that sticker that was on the front. I took that motherfucker off, bitch. I guess I could take this one off too. I won't though, that'd be kind of disrespectful to the brand. Not that I got sponsored or anything. Holy shit, dude. This is pretty. Oh, better take that off before I install it. Learned that from the old one. So yeah, this is the EVGA 1000 GQ gold power supply. And it looks pretty dope. I like it. Oh, upside down. Oh, and it has an eco button. That's pretty sweet. I think I'm gonna leave that off though, just because I'm pretty sure that's gonna do some crazy shit to my PC, and I am not sure if I fucking trust that, so. But yeah. Sick as tits. Let's put it in. Gosh, what time is it? 7 o'clock, so it took 2 hours. Yeah, this happens every single time I build, whether it be on the table or on the floor, which I gotta say, it's not very comfortable building on the floor. This is what it looks like now. And like the only thing that looks really just like kind of fucky is the wires right here. And it's just for this fan right here. It looks kind of janky, and that's all I can really do with that. This looks pretty sweet. I might take that off because it kind of looks a little obnoxious. The one on top, I kind of wish I took those off now, but I'll probably just leave them on. But yeah, everything's put in. The power supply looks pretty sweet and dope. It's just solid black instead of like a, well, this is solid black too, but it's about the same size. I think this one looks cleaner and smoother. And then this beast, which honestly, if it was any bigger, it would literally not be able to fit. And to be honest, I can't even get to the, gosh, what do you call these? The connectors for the actual hard drive and the solid state drive. So I would either have to kind of play a guessing game to get to these on the motherboard, or literally take this out and fuck around with the cords if I needed to. But yeah. Oh my god, I didn't really think that through apparently. But the only last thing that I need to do is get the back panel on and turn it on and see what happens. Look at that. I don't know how well that's gonna show up on this camera, because this camera's a bit outdated, but like, do you not see how crazy that is? Oh, it changed colors. What the fuck, man? I don't even know how to change the colors on that. I think, what the heck? The fans aren't working, but I think it said somewhere online that like it has to run at a particular temperature for it to initiate the fans. So yeah, I don't know if that's actually true. I might have to look into that a little bit more, but it's all set up. I got the drivers all updated and everything is running smoothly. Yeah, I think I'm gonna play a few rounds of Smite and see how well it plays. But other than that, I am stoked. I'm gonna play a few games before I go into work, because apparently I didn't go to bed. So I could have done this yesterday, but I wouldn't have had the LED fans that I wanted to put in. Oh well, I mean, it's done. It's done now. And look at this fucking monstrosity that's on the fucking ground that I'm probably gonna leave until tomorrow morning. Yeah, my life's a fucking mess, but I'm trying to get some shit done. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when that's gonna be. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a cosplay video. Or a video game. I don't fucking know. We'll see. Stay nerdy out there, and I will see you in the next video.